welcome back. So today I am going to be decorating for fall. I'm going to clean up in here. It's pretty messy. It's not too bad, but I just need to tidy up, you know, wipe down my surfaces. I have my decor over here, well, some of it, but I'm just going to clear out everything, do a quick clean, and then I'll decorate this space, and I'm going to decorate the dining room as well. Those are the only two areas I'm going to tackle in this video. I have my fall scenery on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and just start cleaning up the space, and then we're going to start decorating. So I hope you enjoy watching.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but
Alright, I have all of the decor out of the space, minus my fall decor, because I'm just gonna, you know, pick up items from the sofa and out of the bin. Everything else I went ahead and removed so I can properly wipe down these surfaces.
let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you. I'm on flight mode, you move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, how we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, how we roll. Between concrete walls, there's a place for us.
So I've been using paper towels to clean all of my surfaces, but I am going to switch over to a microfiber cloth. I found some at Ross, and they're supposed to be like length free. I mean, they did a better job than the paper towels, but I am going to place an order for some microfiber glass cleaning cloths that are length free and streak free. So hopefully the ones I'm going to buy from Amazon are truly length free. They are made for glass surfaces, so you know, hopefully it does a better job.
I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me. Do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know. Do you wanna follow?
done with this space. I have it nice and cozy for fall. I didn't do a lot in here, like I didn't go overboard with the decor, but I do like, you know, how it looks. I love the turnout. So we have the fire going on the screen now. And what I decided to do with my little centerpiece here is just add more to it. I purchased some bags of potpourri from Ross, and I also found a bag at HomeGoods that had purple and navy blue in it. So I just added that, you know, just added that, and it looks really nice. But yeah, I really wanted to add the purple and the navy blue because I have these flowers that I found on Amazon. The purple ones, and then I also have these like eucalyptus picks and also some of the stuff that was inside of those potpourri bags. I just put it all together because I wanted the centerpiece on the credenza and you know, this flower arrangement on the coffee table to be very cohesive. So I really like the turnout on this bookcase, but this is something I switch up often. If I'm decorating for a season or a holiday or something, I will go and play around with the bookcase decor. I really love the coffee table decor. I tend to do the most on top and keep it really simple at the bottom because I don't want to have a ton of stuff down there as well. That's why I always just keep that bowl there and just play around with the top. But I love how, you know, the decor is arranged. But that's all I decided to do. I didn't want to do the most. Maybe this is a lot for some people because I do have like a lot of pumpkins in here, but I don't think it's a lot going on. I wanted to keep it simple, but I do want it to look like, oh, okay, the space is decorated for fall. You can definitely tell it's decorated for fall with the pumpkins and, like, you know, this centerpiece that I have going on. And this is the dining room. I didn't have to do any cleaning in here because, you know, it was already nice and clean. I did make over this space recently. I have a video on that, so I'll have it linked, or you could just, you know, click the card at the top. But all I had to do was come in here and add some decor, and as you can see, I didn't do much at all. I didn't have a ton of decor left over, and I wasn't trying to go out and, you know, buy more. I have some pumpkins over here. So, you know, that's cute. Really love this one. I found that at HomeGoods. And then on my bar cards, I just added one pumpkin, this very glamorous one from Ross. And I've had this for some years now, but to be honest with you, I'm not too crazy about this style of pumpkin anymore. I don't like the ones that you can like see through like this. But I mean, it's cute. It's good enough for this space. And I do have two bar carts, so I just did the same on this side, just put the same pumpkin. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have going on in the dining room. And then over here I have this like lounge space. I don't know what to really call it. It's just extra seating near the entryway, but I did go ahead and add some pumpkins over here. These cute velvet pumpkins. It came as a set of 3 from Ross, and then I have this one, and I don't know where it came from. It's old, and yeah, it was on something because it still has like the pick. I just put it there. But yeah, that's all I decided to do in this area for fall, and I do like it. It's nice and simple. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We're gonna find a movie to watch and, you know, just get nice and cozy, have snacks, and just enjoy the rest of the night. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.